there is something that I want to encourage you to do this week and give it a try. I've heard about this from Mel Robbins, who's my favorite podcaster and my favorite coach. And what she says is that in a week, let's say you take out a blank notebook and you note down everything that is in your mind, things that need to be done for the week or things that need to be done for the day, and just make an unedited version and just note down everything that comes to your mind. It could be tasks, it could be anything. Just note down things randomly on a piece of paper, as many as you can, because what happens is, what you are doing is that you are reducing the pressure on your brain, because your brain is not meant to process so much information, and if you are storing everything here, it becomes very very heavy and there's a cognitive overload, which people find it very difficult, and it leads to a lot of anxiety and it leads to a lot of burnout. So basically what you're doing is you're bringing out everything that is in your mind onto this piece of paper, so that later you can see what goes into your to-do list from there. So let's say today you take out a piece of paper and you write down 25 things that have been revolving in your mind, and you forget those things, right? So if you have it on a piece of paper, it's there right in front of you, and then you take your pick from there. You take a pick, let's say you'll do 5 things from there for today, and you scratch out the rest of it, and you concentrate on those 5 things or those 3 things or that one thing, whatever it is that you're going to get done for the day. Trust me, this is going to be a game changer for you, and you are going to become more productive. You are going to become a person who follows through with things, and you are going to reduce that stress which has been hanging there in your mind. So try it out. Like I'm in love with what Mel Robbins shares, and all her podcasts are so amazing, and the people she brings on them. And this was one episode about writing down everything on a piece of paper. It's brain dumping. It's as easy as writing down 10 things, but it makes your day fantastic. So give this a try, and if you've tried it before, let me know if it's worked for you. And if you have any suggestions for me, please put it in the comments.